First, I go to Open Earth Online, sign up, and select the area I want from the map. Then, I'll follow the steps shown on the screen to download the data for the selected area to my computer. Here, I'll select the 3D modeling software I'm using, choose the file format, and export the data. The file was downloaded as a zip file. After extracting it, I'll import the files into Blender. When importing the file, I'll select all the data in the folder and import everything into Blender. And here it is, the selected area in 3D, complete with its materials, now in Blender.